Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code RAMENRATER for that discount. This is, hold on, here we are. This is a, Hakata Tonkotsu ramen. What? What? Right there? What? What's wrong? Okay. Uh-oh. Here, let me see. Uh-oh. Keep trying, you can do it. Okay? Alright. I'm like, oh no, the tablet's destroyed. It's fine. So Hakata Tonkotsu with cod roe, fish eggs. So let's make it happen. Of course, the bowl got demolished. That's not it. So it just goes in the noodles. Hold on, you. This appears to be the, I'm throwing this in. Feels like solid vegetable matter. Unless it's a whole bunch of, yeah, that's your veg. So veg and noodles and, go have fun, buddy. And a lid and 3 minutes. And, oh my God, there it is. Thank you, Miles, thank you. Well done, well done. It's time to break the seal yet again on the finest tome of knowledge ever put to paper. This is Momofuku Ando Speaks, a list of quotes by the late great Momofuku Ando, the man who invented the instant noodle. So, all right. Here you go. Now we're getting into the thick of things. Number 34. I think that's where we're at. It took 48 years of my life to come up with the idea of instant noodles. Each and every event in the past is connected to the present by invisible threads. Yeah, that's the stuff I'm looking for. Excellent, wonderful Momofuku Ando quotation. Wonderful. Go, 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 it's too noisy. Go, go, go play. The children have been non-stop. Non-stop. I don't know what to do. But something needs to be done. Anyways. But yeah, it is gross outside. Every once in a while I'll get a whiff of it. It smells like dirty socks. Like constantly. Constant dirty socks. So we have that, and there's really not much to go out and do. I've got a couple N95 masks that I put on, and those are like airtight. Those are considered safe to go out in the environment in. But with air quality readings going from very unhealthy to hazardous, it's really not good to be out in it without a mask. Although I see people doing it all the time because people are morons. But yeah. And today the sun should be out, but the sun is not out. It's because it's obfuscated by smoke. And in the morning, it ends up being really foggy too. It just all hangs down at the surface. It was supposed to be over today at 11 a.m., but those forecast models just did not work for nothing. So, and then they got all these forecast models. Hey, it's going to be a nice respite for the firefighters. No, they're going to get a whole bunch of wind. Yeah, nothing happy today for anybody. But yeah, hoping and eventually that'll end. It's like, it was so much easier when it was just COVID coming to kill us all. Now it's just constant fires. There's murder hornets too. But I don't know, my main thing is like, I'm really looking forward to being able to go out in the morning and do my walking without having to wear a mask for that too. Because usually I don't. Usually when I'm out, there is like, maybe in 3 hours, I'll see 4 people walking. And they're usually walking in the opposite direction, and they're far enough away from me that I don't need to worry about anything. Aren't any crowds at that time in the morning, that's for sure. Of course, if I go in the grocery store, I'll put one on. But it was weird the other day. I saw people like not wearing masks at the grocery store. I'm like, what's up with that? They looked like very odd people. It's like, why are you doing this? You seem mad. And you're just walking around not saying anything, but you seem mad. I guess it's people's right to get sick if they want, but not to get my people sick. Let's give it a try. Cheers. It's all right. Noodle has a tinge of sponginess, but it's really not all that bad. I like the gauge of the noodle. I want another bite of that. Yeah, disregard my sponginess reference. It really isn't something to nitpick about. This one's actually good. Broth is very comfort foody. I mean, it is a tonkotsu, but there's a little something extra. It's almost like it's got, I don't know, like a chickeny thing going on in addition. But I'm not seeing really any mentaiko in there, so I don't know. It's supposed to have fish egg. Cod roe. Cod roe! I see them. Tiny little dots. Okay, let's start with our egg. Again, an enormous thank you to the lovely wife of mine, Christine Kitt. For making the Wonder Eggs. These kind of came out a little... We'll have to have a talk about this set of eggs, Kit. No, what happens is like, if she made them before she went to work, and I just used them on the same day, they would be perfect, but, you know, I'm not gonna say, can you get up early and make me eggs before you go to work? That'd be great. But it's because they chill in the fridge overnight. Yeah. No complaints here. What I'm wondering is if I ran some warm water and let them sit in a bath of warm water for a little bit before. You know what I mean? Maybe a little bit of that warm water would end up making it, the egg yolk in the center, kind of reliquefy. That'd be neat. gonna have to try that tomorrow. Some fish cake. Ooh, you're too localized to that fish cake egg. See what the bummer is though, look at this spring onion. Some right here. It's so freaking dark. It's all that way right now, and it's been that way for a little bit, and it drives me nuts because I really like that light, nice bright green spring onion. But what happens is, I swear the deal is, the growers let them sit for too long and they get darker towards the tip. I don't know. But we'll see someday. I just want to be like hanging out somewhere and go, oh, what do you do? Oh, well, I grow spring onions. Oh, dude. Really? No. There's like this thing on Disney with, yeah, I think I mentioned it already, with Disney and a spork who asks questions about things. He's like an inquisitive spork. And he talks about a conversation and he hears people having on the phone. I'm going to constantly go, what? No. That's it. It's not really no. It's what? No. Maybe this will offset things. Man, today ran long. They're adding more stuff to Miles' school. So, yeah, it's going to get kind of wacky soon because she's going to start. Finally gets to meet her teacher tomorrow. So, all right, Rotato time. Fun time, wow. Alright, this has been Hobbs the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. If you want a bowl like this, talk to me. Maybe I can help. Have a good one. Bye.